Look at that lovely golden cheddar over there. Okay, we just put a little bit of parmesan. We got our bacon. Come on. Oh, soft, soft. Look in there. That is what we're talking. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing an easy one. Really straightforward and easy. We're going to do a cheesy bacon stuffed jacket potatoes. Oh, come on. Everybody needs to do an easy one. We're just going to microwave the potatoes, shove them all in the oven with the bacon lardons, mix it all up and chuck it all back in to finish with a little bit of cheese on. So easy and delicious. Our potatoes then, we're taking a fork. We're stabbing the potatoes all over. And then they're going in the microwave. We're going to microwave for 10 minutes. And then we're going to put them in the oven. Okay, our potatoes. Red hot. Little bit of oil on there. Little bit of olive oil over the top. Little rub on. Wow, they're boiling. Little bit of sea salt on there. Fabulous. That's potatoes prepped. So 10 minutes microwave, ready to go. Bacon lardons in there. Supermarket lardons, make your own. Entirely up to you. In fact, just use bacon if you haven't got any lardons. Doesn't matter. We want little bits of chunk of bacon in there, you know. Both those in the oven, straight in. Okay, what's going to happen is the potatoes are going to take longer than the bacon lardons. The bacon lardons, we're going to probably just give them a quick flick and then we're going to be taking them out. They will be cooked, just put to one side. Now, what you could do, you could have put the potatoes in, wait till the potatoes get about 60% done and then chuck the lardons in. Up to you. We're doing it this way. So I reckon the bacon lardons are going to take about 20 minutes. 20 minutes out. Potatoes are going to take about 40 minutes, twice the time. Okay, we've had about 20 minutes there. I'm just going to give these a turn over. Just make sure they're not stuck on the bottom. Turn them over, put them back in. How fabulous do they look? Back in. Okay, enough on the bacon. That's coming out of there. Potatoes. Okay, this bacon's good enough for me because it's still got a little bit of something in when it goes back in the oven for another 15 minutes. You know, you could crisp the life out of it now if you wanted to, but this is going to release a little bit more of that bacon fat inside those potatoes. Awesome. And obviously we want to be keeping all that bacon grease there. Fantastic. So just like that, to one side, we'll just check the potatoes. Just whip those potatoes out there. Let's have a look. What we got going on? Oh, they're lovely. They're lovely. Okay, what we're going to do is put those on a tray and take the salt off. We don't want the salt. The salt's helped us cook those. take the moisture out. If there's a little bit of salt, it's fine, but we don't want all of that salt. So take that off there. So for our potato, it's very straightforward. We want to be taking the top of that off on all 3 potatoes, and we want to be putting it in a bowl, and we want to mash it up. Mash it up with some sour cream. So we're going to come in here. Now we've got to be careful because we don't want to come all the way through the sides of the potato. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the skin. We're just going to fold it all in. We're not bothered. Okay, so it's in there. Take out that lovely fluffy potato. Careful, try not to come through the sides or the bottom. You know, and you're going to say, well, why not just eat the jacket potato? Well, yeah, you can. But this way is just a bit more dressed up, isn't it? You know? So that's one. I'll add that off of there. We're not going to waste any of it, are we? Come on to another one. Same procedure, come on. So what we're going to do, we're going to make these 2 with ham in and or bacon, and we're going to make that one a veggie one. We're just going to put some cheese in it. Just as an alternative, you can see what we're doing. Don't have to explain it then. Okay, we're going to have a veggie alternative and 2 with meat in. How's that? Cater for everyone, eh? So what we've got going on, we've got our hollowed out potatoes there, and we've got 2 bowls of potato, and this is sour cream. We're going to do the sour cream in here and not butter. You can put butter in if you want, that's up to you, but we're going to go for this lovely creaminess from the sour cream. So it's just a bit of a mashing in there. Just bring that in. Same on this one. This one's a little bit going to be more potato, but you know, it's a veggie one. Nice and straightforward. In there with some cheddar. In there with some cheddar. Now it's cheese of choice, you know, you can put mozzarella in, you can do anything you want. Give it a mix up. Right, that's the veggie one. How awesome does that look? Veggie one, stuff your potato. Now you can put anything in here. You could put green onion in if you wanted. Anything you like. Just make sure you get all your potato in there with that cream cheese. In there. Bacon. In there. Good mix up. Look at that. Oh, that is incredible. That is incredible right there. That's what we're talking. When you're going to load your potatoes, load them. Oh, yes, please. Right, let's get them filled. In we go. In there. I don't think we can get any more in. Come on, we're loading it up. On there with some cheese. Oh, fabulous. They're going back in the oven until they're golden and running all over. Come on. Wow, look at those. Come on. Look at that. That is fantastic. Come on, a little bit of green onion on there. A little bit of colour. Just a little bit of parmesan on there, look. Oh, fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. You know, sometimes you can forget all the big meals and something like this is just fantastic. Look at that lovely golden cheddar over there. Okay, we just put a little bit of parmesan and we got our bacon. Come on. Oh, soft, soft. Look in there. That is what we're talking. Fully loaded potatoes. That is incredible. That is extremely hot. Oh, amazing. That is amazing. The potato inside is so fluffy. It really is fluffed up. That is really, really nice. And you've got that sour cream in there. It's amazing. Oh. And smoky bacon. Fully loaded potato. Look at that. That it truly is incredible. You don't need all the posh meals. That's an easy one. Fantastic on a cooler evening as well. Oh, delicious. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is, come on, to make a cheesy bacon stuffed potato or just a normal cheesy potato. And if you do like what we're doing, hit a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.